video, we are going to learn about Notebook LLM. So you need to type here on Google Notebook LLM because that's a software by Google. Now, with the very first website that you will get is basically Google Notebook LLM. You will see that you will get a personalized presentation of your notes. Not only that, you will get multiple features in that. So let's explore it easily so that you can understand everything about Notebook LLM. You have to click here on try Notebook LLM. Notebook LLM is a way that traditionally whatever the notebook that you were using now is in the AI version. Something very beautifully presented, decorative, something where there are a lot of features that you can explore. As you can see here, there are a lot of notebooks here which is created by me. Now these are the notebooks which are created like publicly. Now these are the notebooks that you can create. Now in order to create a new notebook and exploring the features of Notebook LLM, you just need to click here. You will see this will come here, the pop-up window. You will see there's upload files, websites, drive, copy text. What you need to do is let's explore the copy text. So for example, I want to learn about world history. So I'll type here world history. Now, so I'll just copy here one single paragraph only and I'll add here. So I'll click on the copy text and I put that information here, right? Apart from that, you can add multiple sources. So for example, you will see here website is there. Now that website is your, the YouTube website. You will go here in the YouTube. Yes. So you will see that you want to explore about world history. So the moment you will open this, you will see that world history, want to learn about world history example. So you will see complete world history, whatever. So I'm going to click here on this video. I'm going to share it and then I'm going to put that link into my notebook. So you can put multiple, as you can see here, you can put multiple URLs, separate with space or new line. You can put the number of, YouTube videos that you want to learn from because you like it, the content of this video and you really want to make a note out of it. So that is very easier way to make notes. Now, another thing is that if you click on add source, you can add multiple sources. Apart from that, you can click on drive. The moment you will click on drive, you will have your own notes. For example, you could have your PDFs, you could have your notes, online notes, anything. You can add that also. Apart from that, if you click on add source, you can upload files also. Similarly, what you will do is this is the way you will drop your files: PDF, images, docs, audios, anything. Because when you think about audios, you have to click here on drive. If you have any audio, you can just click here and get that. In case of web, best sources from the web, fast research. If you don't want to search by your own, so you can write here world history, right? So I type it here world history. Yeah. So you will see the web will search, fast research will be there. And it will, give you a lot of websites which are there, ranked websites, having a lot of information about world history. Now that will also be added. Now, as you can see here, there are 7 more sources. You can import it. Everything is now imported and you do not need to worry about searching also. It's the most beautiful way of, enjoying creating notes. Apart from that, you will see a number of features here. You will see that there are audios. So the moment you will click on generate an AI podcast based on your sources, that means an AI podcast will be created. You just need to, drag it down. You will see generating audio overview. Simply, if you want to go with slide deck based on your sources, there would be a slide deck, created out of that, a kind of presentation. There will be a explainer video presented to you by AI if you click on that. If you click on a mind map like this, you will see a mind map will be created. So generating mind map. If you click on flashcards, you will see the flashcards will also be generated. And if you click on reports, quiz, infographics and data table, you will see that they will also come up. In my next video, I will tell you about all of these features because I just wanted you to know that this is the way, this is the interface that you will get, and this is the way you have to use Notebook LLM. Apart from that, there are multiple features that you can use to actually because definitely it takes a lot of time to actually work on all of these, because some they are in beta version, they need a lot of time to look into that information is created is right or wrong. So in the next video you will get to know everything about Notebook LLM, the features that you are seeing here, and how they actually work. I mean, you have to see that how they actually work, how they look. So the next time if you want to create your notebook that is very, very personalized, that is something very easier, that's not time consuming, something very beautifully presented to you, definitely Notebook LLM is for you. You can also click here to create another notebook if you want that. So in the next video, definitely I'm going to go through all of these things so that you can enhance your knowledge and get to know that these features are the topmost features when it comes to enjoying learning with the help of AI notes, and Notebook LLM is there to help you. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video, and you have to subscribe my channel for the best AI apps, websites, the kind of information that you need to be in the present digital technical world. Thanks for watching.